Hi guys, my name is Yellow. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment if you like this video. Today we're going to be redoing my bathroom, something I wanted to do forever, and today is the day. I'm so excited. And most importantly, it's going to be how to do it on a budget, okay? Because we want to save those coins, honey. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so basically I have already cleaned up everything, all my surfaces, and now I'm just going to sweep and mop the floors and get ready to decorate. And now I'm going to be painting the inside of my medicine cabinet. I'm just using regular acrylic paint that I got from Walmart for like 50 cents. And then I'm going to go in with a second coat as well as add my Mod Podge to seal it so it doesn't crack. Now here I grabbed some spray paint from Walmart and just spray painted my drawers and the outside of my jewelry box to give it a fresh new look. Now this is a lid separator for your pots and pans that I got from IKEA, and I'm using it to hold my towels. And I'm just using a command hook from the Dollar Tree to hold it all together. And the towels fit so nicely in there. Now these are just block letters I got again from Walmart. I spray painted and I'm putting them on the outside of the door, B for boy and G for girl. And here we're getting into the after. I think it came out really good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. That's my stand that I got from Walmart. It was $12. That's the towels all together. Those bins I got from the Dollar Tree, and they really help organize your medicine cabinet. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked it. And again, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in more DIY videos like this or any, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do them. Thanks again. It's your girl, Hello Yellow.